One more example when I want to draw the parabola from the factorizing form. So the first step, I need to determine the form of this graph, and the number outside is 4. The first x is minus x, the second x is minus x. Multiply them together, you got 4x squared greater than 0, so we have smile. And the next step, we need to determine the x-intercept. X-intercept, it means set up y equal to 0. So you got here is x equal to 4 or x equal to 1. The next step, we got y-intercept, x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, you got 4 multiply 4 multiply 1 equal to 16. And about 3, symmetrical line. Symmetrical line will be the midpoint between the two x-intercept. Divide by 2, you got 2.5. And about 4 here, you will have here is the vertex. About the vertex, you got x equal to 5 over 2. Substitute this to figure out the value of y. 4 here, 4 minus 2.5, and 1 minus 2.5. Here is 4, 1.5, and the next one is minus 1.5. Minus 9 now. Okay, so 2.5 and 9 here. You have this one. The point symmetrical. Okay, now it's time for combine all of them together. You got here is x, 0, y now. Okay, change this one become to black. You got 1 and 4. Okay, 1 here, 4 here. The midpoint will be the 2.5. 2.5 this present for the vertical line here, symmetrical line. Get minus 1 and you got set. Okay, how about 9 here? This minus 9. Okay, here is minus 9 at this position. So y-intercept will be 16. The point of y-intercept here is 16. Yeah, okay, we finished one more question. The next question you got in this one. Okay, stop video right now, working on by yourself, and then you can compare to my solution. Minus 2, the first x here x, the second one is here 2x squared, 2 greater than 0, so smile. The x-intercept will be x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. About y-intercept, y equal to minus 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 minus 12. And about 3, symmetrical line will be the coefficient, the midpoint between two x-intercept. Divide by 2, you got minus 1 over 2. And about 4, I need to figure out the vertex. Substitute minus 1 over 2 to function y here. And minus 1 over 2 plus 3 and 2 minus 1 over 2 here. So here is minus 2. This one will be 5 over 2. And this one will be 5 over 2. So for here, minus 25 over 2. The point here is minus 3 and 2. So minus 3 here, 2 here. Symmetrical lines minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2. Symmetrical line. The vertex will be minus 25 over 2. Okay, this belonging at the below here. Minus 25 over 2. And the y-intercept will be minus 12. Okay, draw the left hand side and the right hand side here. Okay, we got the point of this one will be minus 12. Yeah, y-intercept, h-intercept, form, symmetrical line, and the vertex. We done. Yeah. The next question you got here a little bit weird, but I think that's not too difficult. You got the first thing will be the form. The number outside is -1, and then the first edge is -8, and the second one will be h here. You can understand about h here, that's like h minus 0, h minus 0 like this one. So another bracket, but -0 is mean only h. Okay, go on for this one. You got here is h squared, and this one is 1 minus 0. About 2 here, you got a symmetrical line. No, I think I can figure out the h-intercept first. H-intercept is mean y equal to 0, and then h equal to 0 or h equal to 1. So next one, y-intercept, h equal to 0. When h equal to 0, y equal to -1 times 1 times 0. Oh, okay, so the next one will be 0. And about 3, I can figure out the symmetrical line using 2 points of h-intercept. Divide by 2, you got 1/2. And about 4, we can figure out the vertex of this by substitute h equal to 1/2 into the y function here. -1, 1 minus 1/2, and 1/2, -1 here, 1/2 here, 1/2 here, -1/4. So 1/2 minus 1/4. This one will be h 0 and y here. H-intercept, you got 0 and you got 1. The symmetrical line will be 1/2, the midpoint between them. So we have here is a y symmetrical line. The vertex will be -1/2. Okay, -1/4 will be here, and then we got this one, and next one you got here. That is the way how can you draw this graph. And the last exercise, the last example we have in this one. Okay, one more time, stop video now, working on by yourself, and then compare to my solution. About the form here, you got 3x, it means 3x squared. So 3 greater than 0, we have the form here will be small. About h-intercept, is mean h equal to -2 and h equal to 0. About y-intercept, h equal to 0, substitute here for y. You got this one is 3 times 2 equal to 6. And here is 3, you got here the symmetrical line. About this symmetrical line, you will got the midpoint between h-intercept, -2 plus 0 divided by 2 equal to -1. Equal to vertex here, h equal to -1, and then y equal to 3 -1 plus 2 times -1 now. Yeah, so 3, 1, -1, you will got here is -3. Yes, -1, -3. That's it. We have here the form of the graph. Combine all these information together. Okay, so here is red. The first thing is -2 and 0, h-intercept. The symmetrical line will be -1 in this position. Yeah, about here we finish the symmetrical line. About the vertex, -1 and -3. Okay, -3 here. This is -3 at this point. And the graph will y-intercept at the original point like this. And the next one will be here. Okay, so we finished this question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.